Hi, I'm Livia and welcome back. This is video 5, the final video of module 2. Today, we are tackling the biggest obstacle for most people, cravings for sugar and flour. That intense urge for sugar isn't a personal failing, it's a biological signal, and because it's biological, we can change it. Today, you'll learn practical strategies to rewrite that signal and put you back in control. To understand this, imagine two waves. The first is the wave of decline, which you ride when you consume processed foods. You get a brief energy spike, followed by a crash that triggers even stronger cravings. It's a draining cycle, but you can choose the wave of growth. Every time you choose a living food, a piece of fruit, a fresh vegetable, you build positive momentum. Your blood sugar stabilizes, your gut health improves, and your brain gets the steady, clean energy it needs. As you consistently add these foods, your body starts to prefer what's good for it, and the old cravings naturally lose their power. This brings us to our first strategy: nourish to overcome. Instead of fighting cravings, we'll make them irrelevant. When a craving for sugar strikes, it's often your body's cry for quick energy. Instead of a candy bar, give it high-quality energy from fresh fruit. A crisp apple or a bowl of berries provides that energy along with fiber and water that prevent a crash. If you're craving something rich or fatty, your body is likely asking for fats. Answer that call with healthy fats. A small handful of walnuts or half an avocado with a sprinkle of sea salt will satisfy that need in a deeply nourishing way. With each of these smart replacements, you are retraining your palate and giving your body what it's truly asking for. Our second strategy addresses the psychological side. Often a craving isn't about hunger, it's about reward. Your brain has been trained to seek a dopamine hit from food. We can rewire this by finding healthier sources of dopamine. The next time a craving hits, commit to a small 5-minute task instead. Tidy one drawer or stretch for 5 minutes. The feeling of accomplishment provides a genuine dopamine hit that, unlike sugar, builds you up and increases your sense of control. The third strategy is direct and non-negotiable. Control your environment. You cannot out-willpower a bad environment. If addictive food is in your house, you will eventually eat it. The single most effective action is to remove the temptation. Go through your pantry and fridge and get rid of it. This isn't restriction, it's freedom. It's making the right choice the easy choice. Finally, 2 rapid response tools. First, the moment you feel a craving, drink a large glass of water. Thirst is often misinterpreted as hunger. Second, practice the 5-minute delay. Acknowledge the craving and tell yourself, I'll just wait 5 minutes. This simple act puts you back in the driver's seat. Often the urge will fade completely. So let's recap. First, ride the wave of growth with living foods. Second, use smart replacements like fruit for sugar. Third, rewire your brain's reward system with small accomplishments. Fourth, create a sanctuary by cleaning out your environment. And finally, use your rapid response tools, immediate hydration and the 5-minute delay. This completes Module 2. You now have the foundational rules and tools for this new way of life. In Module 3, we'll build on this foundation, starting with intermittent fasting. I am proud of the commitment you've shown. So next time you reach for that chocolate bar at midnight, now you know why. If this video helped you understand your sugar cravings a little better, give it a like and subscribe for more. Your body will thank you eventually. Thank you for watching.